wewe na kilimo geke kazi ni kulima tu na uniform.
Uniform ni yako.
Unalima aje na uniform na umelima miaka 30?
Hii jamaa mnakuanga na wivu sana. Hii uniform ni symbolic ya kuonyeshana
mdemo nini?
Yeah, the most dumped person in this village.
Ulinioa huku ndio nikuje kuteseka.
Unateseka na nini tena?
Unanitesa sana wewe. Na mbona unalima na uniform?
See, because I'm the most dumped person in this village.
Most dumped person?
Si ndio? Kwani hebu ulizia jina yangu usikie.
Tufanye hivi.
Aje?
Na kuchallenge.
Ati uni challenge?
I want to prove you wrong.
Prove me wrong, leta hiyo challenge.
Mimi nikuwe journalist, nikuulize maswali.
Uniuliza maswali? You ask me my questions.
Na ujibu na Kiingereza.
Na nijibu na English. Sawa. Leta maneno.
What is your name?
My name I'm Peterson Mosioka.
Peterson Mosioka from which village?
Mimi nimetoka kwetu, mambo ya village achana nayo.
So, since unasema ulisoma, ulifika class?
No. You know what? I'm the most dumped person in this village because I stopped Form 4 last year.
Oh, you stopped Form 4?
Yeah, last year.
Ulifika Form 4?
Yeah, I reached Form 4.
Okay. Now, what do you want the government to help you with?
No, not the government. You know me, when I grow up, I wanted to be aeroplane driver.
Aeroplane driver?
Yes.
You mean the pilot?
No. Shida Kenya mnakuanga na nini sana. Mnapenda kutumia shortcut sana. So you know you should use one that bring people together. Unasema pilot nilisema airplane driver ndi mwenye. Andi kama ni mtoto anasali anaelewa chenye unasema bana.
Aeroplane driver.
Yeah, aeroplane.
Not that pilot.
Not pilot. Pilot ajia wazungu bana.
So I was asking, unataka serikali kusaidia aje?
Oh, mimi ningetaka said I would like the government to help me to give me sponsoring.
Unataka sponsor?
Kama nataka mumama.
Unataka nini?
Mimi nataka kusupportiwa na serikali.
Oh, you want to be sponsored?
Yeah, by the government.
Unataka aje?
You know, okay, I can bring myself to the government in front of the government and explain myself further. Okay, so wherever the government you are hearing me. So I stopped the Form 4 this year, and nobody in our village have ever even reached the class 6. So I would like to introduce myself. So according to the school I was schooling, I pulled up my socks. I did my effort, even the socks I have they toned because of pulling up them. So according to all of my mediocrity and mediocrity, I managed I did not fail so much, and whether did I pass so much, but I was almost there.
So you got which grade?
I did very well. I managed an E.
An E?
Yes, and I'm even very proud of it. I'm very proud, by the way.
From now henceforth, I'm not your wife.
You're not my wife.
I'm not your wife.
Yani watu huku wanakuanga na wivu sana. Sasa juu nimekuwa the most dumped person hadi mtu ataki kuolewa na mimi. No Trumbo. You look me future. No Trumbo. I won't dream again.